What's up guys, my name is CLBro and today I am going to be doing an unboxing from some stuff that my dad got me from Hong Kong. So yeah, and as you can see I am using something different to film today. I am using the new GoPro Hero 6. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I'll go show you in the mirror now. And so today I'm going to be unboxing this little thingy. This one's already unboxed, but I haven't used them. Don't worry, I haven't used either of these. So yeah, we're going to be unboxing these now. So I think we'll start with this one. This one looks a little bit more complex. Yeah. Hang on. Okay, got the tape. If you guys can see that, it's like a little copter thing. And yeah, we're just going to see what it looks like. Oh, oopsies. The USB cable came out. This looks like the charger, and then this looks like, yeah, this is the drone. That's all that will come in the box. I don't know if it comes charged, we'll see. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, so yeah, there's the charging cable. It'll come in this little thingy. Let's look at the box. So yeah, it looks like it should come with a controller, but I think there's a different one. I don't know, okay? So yeah, I guess it looks like you just put on your hand and it'll start to fly. So yeah, and then we're gonna just be looking at this thingy quickly before we start with this thing. Before we start using it, we'll just look. So what you do is, I guess what's this? Oh, my dad told me it's like a firework. So you push the button, it lights up, and then at night you take it, and then yeah. If you guys can see what I mean, it's like that looks awesome. So let's see what these little thingies do. I guess you take them out like that, and then it'll fly like woo. So you shoot it up and it flies. I feel like this is wrong though. If you I don't know what this. I feel like it's not like it's wiggling too much. I don't think that's right. I don't know. I just got these, so yeah, we're going to be carrying on with life. So I guess you do that, and then you kind of turn it on, and then flip it, and then, oh. So yeah, that actually looks pretty cool. It's like luminescent. That's cool. Okay, so yeah, I will see you guys in a second, and yeah, peace. I don't know why I'm saying bye, but yeah, I'll see you in a second, right now. So guys, I have changed a bit. I've just taken away the other stuff. And over here, we're going to try this first, this little copter thingy. So I guess what you do, you'll turn it on, and the lights will come up here, and you put it on your hand, and it'll start to spin, and you have to kind of put your hand on it to keep it in the air. So let's try. I hope you guys can see me. If you can see me, yeah, it'll be good. On. Whoa. Whoa. This thing is going high. It's moving. No, come on. No! I caught it. This thing is so hard to use, guys. This is so weird. What happens is it'll go up like this, and then it'll just stop there, and it'll start to fall, and then as something goes underneath it, woo! So it was hard to catch it, because every single time I tried to grab it, it would just immediately start to go up. So yeah, let's see if I can just do that, in case, because it does tend to go this way a bit. So yeah, it gets me every time. Whoa! See what I mean? It just goes up and then. Use my face. Oh, no. No! This thing is so hard to grab. I'm enjoying myself, guys. I got it! Did you guys see any of that? I hope you did. Let me just see if I can I'll bring you guys with me, okay? And then there we go. Whoa! Went right for the camera. Oh! Okay, I guess you could just do that. And catch. No! You see what I mean? It's just like, whoa, the camera is like, oh, going up here. Got it. Right, ready? Now let it go in 3, 2, 1, yeah. Okay guys, so it's going pretty, it's quite a fun toy actually. I guess it like you could fly it for about 15 minutes. I'm just guessing, like I'm not joking. Because it looks like one of those small toys that you could just fly for about that amount of time. Like, oh, see, I can't let it go inside. Oh, got it. Okay, ready? If you guys comment down below, maybe I could take it out onto the road next time, and I'll make that into a video. This is so fun. I could do this for hours. It just looks so fun. It's so fun to play with. It senses the camera. Oh my gosh, it has a sensor. So let me quickly explain. How like it flies. So what'll happen is as you can see here, it has like, I think this or this is the sensor, but one of them is the sensor. Okay, I'm gonna put you down. What happens is when it senses something underneath it or close to its legs, it will know, okay, I need to fly up. It'll fly up and it'll slowly fall back down and it'll fly up again. It gets sensed. And basically it's quite hard to catch because what happens is if you go in like this, it'll just go woo. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wait until a little bit later to be using this. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm going to be playing with this a bit longer. This is very fun to play with. And yeah, see you guys in a sec. Bye. I'm shooting it there, Connor. Okay guys, so we just got outside on the road. Sadly, the street lights are on. But it's kind of dark over there by the river. Like I've told a million of my friends that I live by a river. It's right down there. But we can't go there all to fall in the river. So what'll happen is we're going to turn on these. Pretty bright. It's pretty
blue
cool.
lights.
Kind of. And then what happens is we're gonna shoot them and see. Ooh, up there it's kind of dark. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna ask you to please hold this for me. Like just. So could you just film me, please? Don't be a very bad photographer like you always are. So guys, this is what it's gonna look like. Get much higher. Okay. Did you guys see that? Did they see that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. There it is all the way over here. As you can see, it's very bright. So, yeah, I'm excited to use it. So I'm quickly going to put you guys like up here. What did you do? Ha! You silly Billy. She's silly. So now, I'm going to take it. I'm going to see if I can fire it all the way over there. When you pull back, as you let it go, you must pull this thing down like that, okay? Watch.
Mine's is the same thing as yours, Connor. Mine's is amazing arrow helicopter.
That was pretty cool. So, I'm not going to leave this GoPro because it's a little bit sketchy sometimes, so I just don't want to leave it. This is a very expensive GoPro. It's like 12,000 Rand for the GoPro, and then 10,000 Rand for the stem, but I'm not using the stem. I can go get it, but I don't want to. But I can, but I don't want to. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys right there. Calm down. Okay, just to help you. So I'm quickly gonna help her shoot. So watch, as I let go, it comes down. You guys get that? Yay, I think you got that. Where did it go though? I don't think you guys can see it. It's all the way over here. Here it is. So now I'm gonna do one big shot.
Can't shoot it. So bad.
Cause he looks so small. Oh, car. There's a car. Okay, let's continue.
For places, guys, you won't be seeing a lot of cars because this road is very quiet.
Yeah, we have a very quiet area.
I just hit my thing.
Don't tell them our address. That's stupid.
No, I'm not telling.
That looks so awesome.
It hit me.
It just flew right over your head. Okay.
Don't shoot it.
This time, I'm gonna quickly either put you on the stick or get you guys on my chest so it looks better. I'll probably just put you guys on my head. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so got you guys on my head now. Hang on. Oopsies, dropped it. So hopefully you guys can see. And yeah, I'm gonna shoot it. Whoa. Here it is. Right. This thing survived. Pretty tough. Okay, this time I'm gonna go quite hard. Ready? Whoa! What the heck? What was that? Did you guys see that? What? What? Hopefully you guys saw that. That was amazing. I didn't even know it could do that. Just what? I'm sorry if you guys think I'm weird right now, but like that would, I didn't even know that would happen. Oopsies. My finger slipped. Oh, I thought it was gonna get stuck. How do I do that again? That was absolutely amazing. Hopefully you guys can see what I see. Like I can't see right now, but you guys are seeing unless I got my dad's phone and use the app. But whoa, did it again! It's like a legit helicopter. Why aren't you joining in? This is incredible. She can't do it, so she's kind of upset. Oh, whoopsies. I'll teach you later, okay? Whoa! Whoa! So guys, we're going to dedicate these few moments to helping my sister. Oh, push it. Yeah. Right, so let's do this. Come with me. Okay, I'm gonna quickly stop you guys and I'll be back if you guys can see. Okay, so guys, I just taught her. She's learning a little bit. And yeah, so now we're gonna see what she can do. Go. Well done. Had a bit of twirl, but I feel like you could do better. Okay guys, you ready?
I don't trust this road right now.
Whoa! That was amazing. I need to go higher though. Okay guys, maybe next time in a video I could use these properly without the unboxing. I could just do a bunch of these little montages with these in them. Ready? Whoa! That didn't do anything. That's why it sucked. Oh, I shot it up too high. Well, it went too fast. That's my problem. If it goes too fast, then it doesn't have enough time to propel itself. So, well, you know what I mean. I hope. So what's going to happen is... Woo! Your helicopter, sure. Here you go. I'm just gonna fire it right to you. I bet you I'm gonna land it right in front of you. There you go.
Hit me.
Right. Now I'm gonna go a little bit
Not fun
tougher.
for an 8-year-old.
Ready?
Fudge.
Up. Didn't do anything. Let me quickly. Sorry guys, I'm running slow. I'm barefoot right now, and I'm running on a road. And it hurts. I've also got this heavy GoPro on my head, so like helicopter. That was much better. Well done. Now all you need to work on is getting it further. So, let me see if I can helicopter it. Your thingies are bent, your little flaps. So you just need to unbend them. Okay guys, so soon I'm going to end the video. I'm going to shoot this high. Whoa. Whoa. I thought that was going to be awesome. It opened for a second. And then like it just...
Like that.
Yes! So you guys, she's learning. These are pretty fun toys. I'm glad my dad got these for us. They're like awesome as hell. And why did the lights switch off? Oh no, it didn't. It just got weaker. Okay. Yeah, I guess it's from the tough impacts it's had, like a couple hole runs. So it'll be my last big shot. See if I can get it to fly
and
like...
after you do it, can you watch me
Oh
do
no.
mine?
Sorry guys, I'm gonna go one more time and then
Can
I'm
you watch me do mine then?
gonna end this off. Yeah, then we'll just see Kelsey do it a couple times and then we're ending off. I forgot to mention guys, Kelsey has a new channel, am I right?
Yeah.
So it's called Kels
I have
Pals.
2 subscribers.
Yeah.
Mommy and Triton Zeus.
Yeah. So what's gonna happen is she has a channel. I want you guys to go subscribe.
Called
Her
Kels
name.
Pals. It has a photo booth picture in the rainbow one.
So what's gonna happen is her picture. It's a capital K, Kels space, capital P, Pals.
But
Or
don't do capitals and don't do spaces.
to
That's
search,
what I found.
if you want to search and actually find it, search this.
Let's go.
Search lowercase p, lowercase everything, okay? And then just say Kels, no spaces, and then Pals, okay? I'll show you a little bit of that now when I go inside and end off. Okay, now Kelsey's going. Okay, well done. Need to get it a little higher though.
And harder.
Yeah, a little bit higher and harder. Okay guys, we're gonna watch Kelsey do one more and then we're gonna end this off. Yeah, go to I'll say subscribe at the end of the video. So let's just
Please put my name in the description.
I'll type the name down in the description for you guys. So go down below and see your name. Boom. That was an amazing one. Well done. Car coming at us at high speed.
Bye guys.
Hang
See you
on.
in the next video.
I'm just gonna fix your thingy. Let's see if it works now. No, but that's okay. We'll fix it. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to go down below and leave a thumbs up. Subscribe. Go subscribe to my little sister's channel over there. Comment down
In one of my
below.
videos, I'll show you guys my whistle candy and all the stuff my dad got me from Hong Kong.
Yours is this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's gonna happen is
We're going to do a vlog together on my channel.
Kelsey, stop being annoying. So what's gonna happen is go check out our channel, go subscribe to my channel, go subscribe to hers, like my video. She's got one very awkward video on her channel. So yeah, you guys can go check that video out.
Hope you guys don't like. Hope you guys like it.
Ugh, got a stone stuck in my finger. Okay, so we're gonna be going inside now. We'll see you guys in the next video. And if you enjoy, y'all, like I said, leave a thumbs up, blah 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 blah. Subscribe. See you next video. Peace.